Hi, I am Apurvi and today we are baking Brookie's bar without refined flour, maida, hair and spoiled by cocoa. Let's begin. First let us make cookie dough. For that in a bowl I have unsalted butter. Add caster sugar and brown sugar. Mix with a spatula to dissolve sugar. You can use salted butter as well, just skip the salt in the recipe. Now add the whole wheat flour. I have already mixed a pinch of salt in it. Add some dark chocolate chopped. Mix it. Add milk and mix to form a dough. Keep it aside. Now let us make brownie batter. For that in a bowl combine chopped dark chocolate, unsalted butter, cocoa powder, and some coffee to enhance chocolate flavor. Melt it in a microwave in 30-second bursts to avoid burning chocolate. Keep it aside to cool slightly. For the egg replacer, we are using flax seeds. Grind them to a powder. To this add water. Mix and keep aside for 10 minutes till it thickens and turn gelatinous. Now in another bowl, add the thickened flaxseed gel. You can use another egg replacer ingredients options as well. Add brown sugar and caster sugar, vanilla extract. Mix until sugar gets dissolved. Now add the melted butter chocolate mixture. Mix the two. Please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I share a recipe. Add whole wheat flour and fold the flour in. If you feel like your brownie batter is too thick, that can happen due to different quality of flour used. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water or milk. Transfer this brownie batter into a pre-lined square pan. Smooth it out. Now add your cookie dough into the brownie batter. Here you can be creative. Either add it like I am as an island in this pool of brownie batter or sandwich the cookie dough between the brownie batter. Else you can layer it also. One layer of cookie dough and above it brownie batter. Bake these in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 14 to 18 minutes for a 5-inch tin, or until there are few moist crumbs when you do a skewer test. They have baked so well. Let them cool completely. Let us demold and slice our brookies. See how fudgy the brownies are with the island of choco chip cookies? I must say that these are the best of both the world. Do try these out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for eggless baking recipes. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.